Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Miss Mina. In this video, we are going to talk about the parabola. Pag-uusapan natin yung definition niya and of course yung marami niyang parts. So first, I would like to introduce to you its definition. A parabola is the set of points that are equidistant from a fixed point called the focus. So it's here. And a fixed line called the directrix. So ito namang green line. If you are going to look at the animation that is being shown in your screen, you will see here that there is a segment that connects the parabola, the parabola's point here, P, and the focus, and the parabola's point going to the directrix. So yung distances na yon ay parating equal, so that's why a parabola is formed when you trace all of those points. As a conic section, a parabola is formed at the intersection of a plane and a cone when the plane is parallel to one side of the cone. So here are the multiple parts of the parabola. Let me give you a short tour on how to go about this one. So this parabola is facing up or facing upward. Its vertex is here. So a vertex of the parabola is the lowest point if the parabola is facing upward. So ito po yun, yung pink point. We label it as point V, HK. So in a circle, in comparison, the center of a circle is at HK. Since a parabola does not have a center, we refer to HK as its vertex. An important part also of the parabola is its distance from the vertex to the focus, which is called the focal length. And that distance is represented by the letter C. So we're talking about this distance. That's C units. That's C distance. It's also the same distance based from the definition from the vertex to one of the points on the directrix. That's also C. Besides the focal length, we also have what we call the axis of symmetry, also known as AOS. It is the line that passes through the vertex. So, kita naman po, dumadaan siya sa vertex. Here. And it divides the parabola into two parts in such a way that they become mirror images of one another. So, kapag pinadaanan natin ng line, ang parabola here, yan yung axis of symmetry. Kumbaga, pag hinati niyo siya, they will be the same thing, or they will be the mirror image of one another. Besides the axis of symmetry, we also have what we call the lattice rectum. It is a line segment that passes through the focus and is parallel to the directrix. So here we have a segment that passes through the focus. It touches one of the points on the parabola. So dadaan siya sa focus, papunta sa kabila. Okay, so the distance between the endpoint of the lattice rectum here and the endpoint of the lattice rectum here is 4C. So let me just quickly draw the two endpoints here. So this is L sub 1, this is L sub 2, and the focus is at the middle. So this entire distance from the endpoints is 4 times the focal length. Now, if you're asked what is the distance between the focus and one of the endpoints, that's just half of it, and that would refer to 2C. And this will be an important part later, because in some problems in the future, you will be asked to identify the exact coordinates of the endpoints of the lattice rectum. I hope you were able to somehow grasp the parts and the definition of a parabola. See you in my next video.